Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to see how we can install Google Chrome on Windows 11. Google Chrome is just another web browser. Maybe you're tired of your old browser, or you have problems with it, or you just want to try Google Chrome. We'll show how to do that, guys. And also, if you stay with us till the end, we'll also show you a cool trick. Now, the first thing we want to do is just open our current web browser by double left clicking. We're going to maximize it, and then guys, in your search engine just type in Google Chrome and press enter, and that's going to do the job. We're looking for the official website, which is google.com/chrome. Left click on the link to open it, and this immediately brings up the download page. So you have this option here that says help make Google Chrome better by automatically sending usage statistics. What this does, guys, is it just sends reports if you have problems with Chrome. So if you don't want to have this enabled, you can just left click on the check mark to disable it. When you're ready, you can just left click on the button that says download Chrome over here, and that will start downloading the setup. As we can see, it appears here on the top right. If for some reason it disappears, what you can do, guys, is just go here at the three dots, or on some other browser there are three lines, and just left click, and there should be a downloads category somewhere, and when you find it, just left click, and that's going to bring up the downloads again. Alternatively, you can just press Ctrl and J on your keyboard, just like that. To open the setup, just left click where it says open file, or anywhere actually on the button. If the user account control asks for confirmation, you can left click on yes, because this is from a trusted source. And as we can see now, the installer has already started working. At this moment, guys, we can close our current web browser. That's not gonna stop the setup. And as we can see, Google Chrome is now installed. An icon has appeared on our desktop and it automatically opens. So we're gonna maximize it. They take us on a tour, guys. So let's see what they have in store for us. We're gonna left click on get started. Here, guys, you can add bookmarks to your favorite Google apps. You can play by left clicking. So we'll just select the first two. When you're ready, left click on next. Otherwise, you can skip. Now, they ask you to sign into your Google account by clicking the button here that says continue, but we're not going to do that today. We're going to click on no thanks. And that's it, guys. This is the new tab in Google. It gives you the Google search engine, and now you are free to use Google Chrome. What we promised, guys, to show you is the fact that you can customize which pages open on startup. So if you go to the settings up here and just left click once on the three dots, you can go to the settings by left clicking, and in here, guys, you see a tab that says on startup. If you left click, you have three options here to open the new tab page, which is basically this one, or you can continue where you left off, which will open the pages from your last browsing session, or you can open a specific page or a set of pages. For example, you can add a new page. When you're ready, left click on add. And let's try that out, guys. We're gonna close Chrome and open it again. And as you can see, it has opened the page automatically that we entered. So you might find this trick very useful, guys. Okay, guys, that's it. Now you know how to install Google Chrome on your device. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe for future tips.